Castor oil is touted for its numerous health benefits and natural remedies. But what if I told you this seemingly harmless oil hides a darker side? In today's video, we're uncovering shocking castor oil side effects which are rarely discussed. Stay tuned to the end for all the juicy details as we reveal the 7 hidden dangers you need to know before you reach for that bottle. From severe gastrointestinal distress to alarming allergic reactions, neurological effects that might surprise you, serious pregnancy complications, unexpected respiratory issues, critical electrolyte imbalances, and dangerous interactions with medications. Buckle up and let's dive deep into exploring these risks. Number 1. Gastrointestinal distress. Castor oil is famous for its strong laxative effects, making it a go-to for relieving constipation. This is because it stimulates the intestines, helping to get things moving. But be careful, overusing castor oil can cause severe cramps, diarrhea, and nausea. Ever felt your stomach turn upside down? That's your body crying out for help. These strong effects can lead to dehydration and upset your body's balance of essential electrolytes. Imagine reaching for relief and ending up more uncomfortable than before. To avoid these issues, start with small doses and never take more than recommended. If you have any digestive problems, or if you're unsure, it's best to talk to your doctor first. Are you willing to take the risk for a quick fix? Number 2. Allergic reactions. Despite its many benefits, castor oil can cause allergies in some people. Allergic reactions to castor oil can include redness, itching, and swelling of the skin. Picture this. You apply a little castor oil for its healing properties, and suddenly your skin is on fire, itching uncontrollably. Some people might even experience hives or a rash. These symptoms are your body's way of telling you it's not happy with the oil. If you suspect you're allergic, it's essential to do a patch test first. Apply a small amount of castor oil to a tiny area of your skin and wait 24 hours to see if there's any reaction. Will you heed this warning or gamble with your skin's health? If you do experience symptoms, stop using it immediately and wash the area with mild soap and water. For those with severe reactions, it's crucial to consult a doctor. They can provide treatments to manage your symptoms and advise you on alternative remedies. Number 3. Neurological effects. Now, let's talk about some surprising neurological effects of castor oil. The culprit here is ricinoleic acid, the main active component in castor oil. Ricinoleic acid, while beneficial for many uses, can affect the nervous system in some cases. Imagine feeling dizzy or seeing things that aren't there after using a natural remedy. Research conducted in 2012 found that high doses of ricinoleic acid might interfere with the central nervous system, leading to symptoms like dizziness and even hallucinations. These effects are rare, but they can be quite alarming. If you experience any neurological symptoms like dizziness or hallucinations after using castor oil, it's crucial to consult a healthcare provider right away. They can help determine if the oil is the cause and recommend safe alternatives or treatments. Is your peace of mind worth the risk? Number 4. Pregnancy complications. While castor oil has been used traditionally to induce labor, its use carries significant risks. Research from a study conducted in 2009 indicates that using castor oil to induce labor can lead to premature labor, which poses numerous risks for both the mother and the baby. The idea of speeding up labor might sound appealing, but at what cost? The strong contractions stimulated by ricinoleic acid can cause stress and potentially lead to complications such as fetal distress and prolonged labor. For pregnant women, it's crucial to avoid using castor oil unless specifically advised by a healthcare professional. If you are considering natural methods to induce labor, always consult with your doctor first. If you accidentally use castor oil and experience unusual symptoms, seek medical attention immediately to ensure the safety of both you and your baby. Are you willing to gamble with your baby's health? Number 5. Respiratory issues. Inhaling the fumes or mist of castor oil can lead to significant respiratory problems despite its common topical and oral uses. Have you ever felt your chest tighten after breathing in something strong? Well, this is potentially what can happen if you inhale castor oil. Inhaling castor oil can cause symptoms like shortness of breath, wheezing, and even asthma-like reactions. The ricinoleic acid and other compounds in the oil can irritate the respiratory tract, leading to these uncomfortable and potentially dangerous symptoms. To use castor oil safely, avoid inhaling it directly. If you need to apply it near your face, do so sparingly and in a well-ventilated area. If you experience any respiratory symptoms after using castor oil, stop using it immediately and consult a healthcare provider for advice. Is the risk of not breathing freely worth the benefits? Number 6. Electrolyte imbalance. Castor oil can lead to serious electrolyte imbalances, especially when used as a laxative. Prolonged diarrhea can rob your body of vital electrolytes, making you feel weak and out of sorts. A study from 2013 highlighted that prolonged diarrhea caused by castor oil can deplete essential electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. This imbalance can result in symptoms such as muscle weakness, fatigue, and even irregular heartbeats. In severe cases, it can pose significant health risks. To prevent these issues, use castor oil in moderation and ensure you stay hydrated. Drinking electrolyte solutions or sports drinks can help maintain proper electrolyte levels. If you experience severe weakness or an irregular heartbeat, stop using castor oil and seek medical advice immediately. Are you prepared for the potential fallout of seeking quick relief? Number 7. Interaction with medications. Finally, let's talk about how castor oil can interact with medications. This is a crucial consideration for anyone on prescription drugs. Imagine taking your medications only to find out they're not working because of something you thought was harmless. Castor oil can affect the absorption and efficacy of certain medications. For instance, it can speed up the digestive process, potentially reducing the time medications have to be absorbed in the intestines. This can diminish the effectiveness of drugs, particularly those that are slow release or need to be absorbed over a longer period. If you're on any medication, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before using castor oil. They can advise you on whether it's safe and how to avoid potential interactions. If you notice any unusual symptoms or feel that your medication isn't working as it should after using castor oil, contact your healthcare provider immediately for guidance. Are you willing to compromise your health regimen for castor oil? Being aware of these potential risks helps you use castor oil safely and effectively. Always start with caution. Consult a healthcare provider if needed, and monitor your body's reactions. With that said, check out the video on the screen for the harmful side effects of okra you didn't know about. You might be surprised by what you learn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.